you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blades. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm in my basement bathroom, and this bathroom is a little outdated and it has the very old snake style shower head. I've had this in here for like 15 years, so it's worked just fine. It's just a very simple shower head. But thanks to my friends over at WaterSong, they sent me a functional shower set, high pressure. It's 2 shower heads, one's 4.5 and one's 7 inches. So let's unbox this right now and see what it looks like.
As you can see from the label, it's a 6-function shower set, 70-inch stainless steel shower hose, and also 1.8 gallons per minute. User manual. Here's the handheld showerhead. This is if you want to hold it. Has numerous settings here for different types of rainfall, and 1-button valve. Made of ABS plastic. The main shower head. Also rainfall technology. When I mean that, I mean it falls like you're standing in the rain. Here's the lever to have the different patterns of water. Here's your 70-foot hose. Stainless steel with the correct fittings. Some Teflon tape to prevent any leaks or drips. The holder for your handheld shower head. Attached hardware or install adapter to go from 1 fitting to 2 fittings. That will allow you to have the 2 heads on 1 shower spout.
First thing I'm going to do is remove the old one.
I'm going to put some Teflon tape on here. Put the coupler on. I'm going to put a strip of Teflon tape on the main head as well. And a strip for the side handheld head. Give it a nice tight seal. Now we're going to attach the extension hose. This is the part for the handle because it looks stylish, and this is your universal fitting. You can do this carefully so that the Teflon tape doesn't show. I honestly don't care. Now we're going to install the main head. Now the handheld one. And put some Teflon tape on here as well. Just a strip long enough to encompass the entire diameter of it. So here's the holder for your handheld one. They realized that people don't want to drill into your tub, right? So they thought of that. Make sure this is dry and clean. It's a shower, so it's clean. And it has this thing on here. It's a sticker. So you want to put it like that. Match up the holes, so this is on the bottom like that. And then you screw some screws into this rubber. So we'll just peel this off. And just stick it like further away is better. Just stick it right there. And this should be strong enough to hold the lightweight handle. And now you don't have to drill holes into your shower. It's excellent. You do have to screw a couple of screws in here though, that correspond with that, just like that. It comes with the hardware, 2 screws to screw it in if you don't want to make holes in your shower. And if you do want to make holes in your shower, it has 2 long wood screws with anchors. Get a Phillips screwdriver. Uh-oh. And just screw it in. Now that that's placed on here, this thing rests just like that. The inner one is better. Okay, it's installed now. All we have to do is try it. Hope I don't make a mess. Ooh, look at that. You can see I've got some leaks over here. Okay. Pressure. When you press the button, look. This is fantastic. Wow, cool. Excellent pressure. So there you go. That's my WaterSong 6-function shower set. It took a little bit of a learning curve, but always read the instructions. That way you didn't have to do what I had to do. But finally, everything has been cleaned up and no leaks. Use the Teflon tape and use a wrench to tighten. Not so tight that you'll break it because it is plastic. As you saw from the handheld shower head, you have to push the button to get the pressure out. And I wasn't pushing the button, so it didn't make any sense to me. But now, if I read the instructions, I probably would have done it much better. But nice little set. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. And we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.